Whoa, it is a cold day today. Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Hub-Centric Rings Part 2. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, turns out the Hub-Centric rings that I did purchase initially were off by 1 millimeter. Also, the rings that are currently on it, if you guys remember, one of them got bent in the packaging. I'm not too happy about that. So today we got some plastic ones instead, recommended by one of the German specialists, technicians who worked on my vehicle. So we're gonna put those on today. So you'll see the difference both in material and in size. This one's gonna be a little bit quicker pace because we already know what we're doing, and you guys already know what I'm doing. As you can see, it did snow as well. So, I hope that'll be me after this. We'll see. Oh, I'm so sad. Can I open this glove? What a great start. Let's hope I don't have to break out the breaker bar again, because I don't have one. And if that's the case, I'm gonna go to Jiffy Lube and buy one. I mean, not Jiffy Lube. I'm gonna go to Harbor Freight. Grab our handy dandy impact again. What kind of battery life we're looking at here? Oh, that ain't good. Only one. Oh, barnacles. I don't think this one fits in here. Oh my God, it does. I guess it's better than nothing for now. As long as it can break out these nuts. It can. Impressive. Okay, cool. So we'll stick with that for now. Jacked up for like the 20th time. Here's the new one. Let's take a look. I did take a look at this last night, and they appear to have no cracks, dings, none of that good stuff. Bad stuff. But here's the plastic version. I won't lie to you, 1 millimeter difference is kind of hard to spot. Looks the exact same to me, but in plastic this time. But 72.6, 74.1, which means it is 1 millimeter thicker. So, should work. All right, all the rings are good, which means we can proceed to taking the wheel off. Take this off. All right. Ow, what the? Take this ring off. We're gonna take this ring, okay. Let's take this ring off. Let's take this ring off. Oh, tight fit, huh? So that's the old one. Out with the old, in with the new. Let's see how this one fits. No, what happened here? What just broke? There's something broke. I have low hopes for this one working. All right, new one's on, but this is new. Is this my brake wear sensor that just snapped off somehow? Did that happen just now? That is upsetting to see. Can't do nothing about it right now. Back to it, and as you can tell, I got professional weight, like racing weight on these wheels. So these wheels are balanced, not at your ordinary tire discounters or discount tire. These are professionally done now. All right, that's in. That's on. There we go. Okay, we are good on that side. Back to it. Okay. Another ring to be taken off, and delicately. Nice. Another ring off. Okay, let's try that. Zero movement. Okay. That's two. Torque them down. Okay, she is tight. Can I catch a break, please? Be nice, you know? Be really nice. Come on, just come out. Fine then. You wanna play that game? I got a flathead screwdriver with your name on it. Beautiful. Get off my car. Where did Mr. Flathead go? There he is. Okay. That's seated. Come on. There we go. So that's up. Definitely need it. Why am I... Whoa, that ring ain't supposed to be like that now, is it? Okay. Yeah, goes right on in. Yeah, it's in. That is in all the way. Torque them down one last time. Last time for now. I have a feeling I'll be back in here again. Oh, that one was loose. There we go. Nice. That's it. Whew. Let's put everything back together and take this thing for a drive. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the final part to find out if these wheels stay on the car or get off my car. Sounded cooler in my head, I'm sorry. All right, we made it onto the highway. Let's find out. It's gone. What? Oh my God, it's gone! Finally! Finally! It's gone! No vibration at all! Yes! I'm so sorry for the depressing tone earlier in the video. Oh my God, it's gone! Oh my God! What the heck? It's gone! Oh. I can't even think right now, I'm so happy. Oh my God, she's back. I'm spitting everywhere. I'm spitting everywhere. I'm literally spitting everywhere. All right, guys, what that means is I'm gonna be keeping these wheels for a while. It won't be until the rubber off of these come off that I'll be selling the wheels. And unlike other individuals, I will be selling them with the hub-centric rings. That way, nobody else gets screwed over like I just did, chasing a problem that I couldn't find. Thank you, Facebook Marketplace individual, for screwing me over like that. That just goes to show how specific measurements have to be in a car. Like 7 to 8 millimeter difference? What? I had 73.1 millimeter conversion. This is now 74.1. And 74.1 fixed the issue, not 73.1. 1 millimeter, guys. 1 millimeter is all it took for me to spend almost $1,800 on these wheels, troubleshooting and fixing issues. Thank you to everyone who has supported me, who has reached out to me talking about these problems with the wheels, hoping and supporting for a better outcome with the situation that I was dealing with. And thankfully, we're back. We are back. We are good for 2 weeks, probably. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please leave a like, subscribe, and comment on what I can do better next time. Stay safe out there. I'll see you in the next video.